Beneath the scorching sands of Egypt, archaeologists unearthed a dazzling necklace, crafted from a meteorite, worn by King Tutankhamun himself. But that's just the beginning. Across the world's deserts, entire lost civilizations, hidden tombs, and ancient relics lie buried, waiting to rewrite history. Here are 10 incredible discoveries found beneath the desert sands. Number 10. Lost fortresses. Beneath the burning sands of the Libyan Sahara lies a forgotten world. Over 100 ancient fortresses lost to time. These structures, built by the Garamantes, a mysterious desert civilization, were rediscovered using satellite images. The Garamantes thrived nearly 2,000 years ago, mastering underground water systems to survive in one of the harshest places on Earth. Their fortified settlements suggest a powerful society, possibly engaged in trade, war, or defense against raiders. Over time, the Sahara's shifting sands swallowed their cities, leaving little trace of their existence. But now, thanks to modern technology, these long-lost fortresses are coming back into view. What secrets do they hold? Were they defensive outposts or thriving centers of trade? The desert is slowly revealing its hidden history, one fortress at a time. Now it's time for an interesting topic. In Israel's Negev desert, scientists poured over 1 billion tons of unsalted water onto the barren land. Many believed it would vanish into the dry sand. But a few years later, something astonishing happened. Plants began to sprout, and entire ecosystems emerged. The artificial lakes attracted birds, insects, and even mammals. Underground aquifers, once dry, started replenishing. This bold experiment proved that even the harshest deserts could be revived. With smart water management and innovation, Israel turned lifeless sands into thriving landscapes, challenging what we thought was possible in arid regions. The desert, against all odds, was alive again. As always, let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Before we go on, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Number 9. King Tutankhamun's meteorite necklace. Buried with Egypt's most famous pharaoh was a treasure not of this world, literally. King Tutankhamun's necklace features a yellow-green gemstone called Libyan desert glass, formed from a meteorite impact 29 million years ago. Scientists analyzing the glass in 1996 traced it back to the vast sands of western Egypt and eastern Libya. The intense heat from the impact, over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, melted the desert sand, creating glass as pure as crystal. But how did the ancient Egyptians find it? And did they know its cosmic origins? Perhaps to them, it was a gift from the gods. This extraterrestrial gemstone, shaped into a scarab, was placed at the heart of the young pharaoh's jewelry, symbolizing rebirth and power. From deep space to King Tut's tomb, this meteorite glass is a stunning link between the heavens and one of history's most legendary rulers. Number 8. Lost Roman camps in Arabia. In the heart of the Arabian desert, 3 hidden Roman military camps have just been discovered. Using satellite technology, researchers from the University of Oxford uncovered these mysterious fortifications, suggesting a previously unknown campaign by the Roman Empire. The camps, built around AD 106, may have played a key role in Rome's expansion into the Nabatean kingdom, home to the famous city of Petra. But why were they there? Were they used for a quick invasion or a long-term occupation? The layout of the camps suggests strategic military planning, possibly for launching attacks or securing trade routes. Over time, the desert erased their presence, but now with modern technology, their story is resurfacing. Number 7. The return of disappearing lakes in the desert. For a brief moment, the Sahara wasn't just a desert, it was a land of lakes. In September 2024, heavy rainfall brought life back to the barren landscape, refilling ancient lake beds like Sebka El Mela in Algeria. These rare, temporary lakes appear only when the rains are strong enough, offering a glimpse into the Sahara's past, when it was a lush, green savanna. Thousands of years ago, hippos, crocodiles, and early humans thrived here, surrounded by fresh water. But as the climate shifted, the lakes dried up, and the desert we know today took over. Now these fleeting bodies of water remind us that the Sahara is always changing. Scientists study these events to understand past climate patterns and predict future changes. How long will these lakes last? No one knows. But for now, they are a shimmering echo of the Sahara's lost world. Number 6. Lost civilizations beneath the sands. Beneath the vast deserts of the world, lost civilizations sleep under the shifting sands. In Egypt, the lost city of Tanis, once a great capital, lay hidden for centuries until archaeologists uncovered its buried temples and treasures. The sands of Sudan conceal the forgotten kingdom of Kush, with its mysterious pyramids rising silently in the desert. In Arabia, the ruins of Ubar, the fabled Atlantis of the sands, were found using satellite images, revealing an ancient trade hub swallowed by time. And in China's Taklamakan Desert, mummies wrapped in fine fabrics hint at a vanished culture along the Silk Road. These discoveries prove that the sands don't just erase history, they preserve it. Who knows what other cities, artifacts, and secrets still lie beneath? As the winds shift and technology advances, the past slowly emerges, reminding us that history is never truly lost, just waiting to be found. Number 5. The giants of the Sahara. 10,000 years ago, giants walked the Sahara. Fossils of the Kiphian people, an ancient hunter-gatherer culture, reveal individuals standing over 6.5 feet tall, far taller than most people today. These towering humans lived near massive lakes in what is now Niger, surviving on fish, wild game, and plants. The Sahara wasn't always a desert. It was a green paradise, filled with water, trees, and animals. But as the climate dried up, the lakes vanished, and the Kiphian people disappeared with them. Their bones, buried for millennia, tell a story of strength, survival, and a forgotten way of life. Who were they, and what happened to their descendants? As archaeologists uncover more of their remains, the mystery of these ancient giants is slowly being unraveled. For now, they stand as a reminder that the Sahara was once a very different place. Number 4. The Sahara's buried treasures. Beneath the scorching sands of the Sahara lies a hidden fortune, vast deposits of oil, gas, uranium, and gold. This seemingly barren desert is actually one of the richest regions on Earth when it comes to natural resources. Countries like Libya, Algeria, and Niger have tapped into its oil and gas reserves, fueling economies far beyond Africa. But that's not all. Deep underground, uranium, key for nuclear power, waits to be mined, while gold veins stretch beneath the dunes, hiding untold wealth. How did these resources get here? Millions of years ago, the Sahara was covered in ancient seas and lush forests, creating the perfect conditions for these valuable minerals to form. Today, mining companies and governments race to unlock these riches, but with great wealth comes great challenges. Extraction is difficult, costly, and sometimes controversial. The Sahara's true treasure isn't just what's beneath, it's who controls it. Number 3. The Sahara's monster. Long before the Sahara was a desert, it was home to a true giant, Spinosaurus. At 52 feet long and weighing up to 20 tons, this prehistoric predator was one of the largest carnivores to ever walk the earth. But unlike T-Rex, Spinosaurus wasn't just a land hunter. Fossil evidence suggests it was semi-aquatic, spending much of its life in rivers and swamps, hunting massive fish with its long jaws and crocodile-like teeth. First discovered in Egypt in 1912, Spinosaurus fossils were lost during World War II, only to be rediscovered decades later in Morocco. Its enormous sail-like spine remains a mystery. Was it for display, temperature control, or something else? Whatever the reason, Spinosaurus was an apex predator of an ancient world, ruling the prehistoric rivers of North Africa. Number 2. The Sahara's giant crocodile. Long before the Sahara became a scorching desert, it was home to a massive predator, Macamosaurus rex, a 29-foot-long prehistoric crocodile. This ancient beast ruled the warm coastal lagoons of North Africa over 130 million years ago. Unlike modern crocodiles, it was built for the open ocean, capable of swimming long distances in saltwater. With a skull over 5 feet long and crushing jaws, it likely preyed on sea turtles, large fish, and even small dinosaurs that wandered too close to the water's edge. Discovered in Tunisia, its fossils suggest it was the largest marine crocodile ever found. But what caused its extinction? A changing climate and shifting seas may have wiped it out, leaving only its bones to tell the tale. Number 1. The Camille Crater. In the heart of Egypt's western desert, a nearly perfect impact crater tells a dramatic story. The Camel Crater, measuring 148 feet across, was created by a powerful meteorite impact about 5,000 years ago. Unlike most craters, which erode over time, Camel is remarkably well preserved, with sharp edges and scattered iron meteorite fragments still found nearby. Scientists estimate that the space rock, traveling at over 7 miles per second, hit the Earth with an explosion equivalent to a small nuclear bomb. The impact blasted molten rock into the air, leaving behind a circular scar in the desert. First spotted by satellite in 2008, Camel remains one of the best-preserved small impact craters in the world. Did ancient humans witness the fireball streaking across the sky? We may never know, but the crater itself is a frozen moment in time, a reminder of the universe's power. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.